realize that the journey is everything. There ain't no destination, man. The journey is everything.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Team Murph back with another video. In this video, guys, we're going to be going over how to optimize your TikTok campaigns once you start to see stuff rolling and start to see some positive results. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, we talk about TikTok, drop shipping, media buying, pretty much everything in regards to e-commerce. Also, guys, if you're new or you're just watching again, check out the $0 to $630,000 case study in 90 days in the description. I literally go through how I took a store, brand new store, using TikTok ads in 90 days and scale it to over $600,000 in revenue.
Why you always lying?
So check that out, guys, as well during or end of the video whenever you feel free. But in this video, like I said, we're going to be going over how to optimize your TikTok campaigns when you start to see traction. Now, let's jump into it, right? So this is just the test TikTok ad account. Don't picture this as oh, where are the results? No, this is just a test TikTok account so you guys can see the results and see what's going on. So, okay, let's check it out here. We have our brand name testing. So this is our first campaign. Let's see how it goes. As I said in the other videos, I'll have very broad ad groups to test with 5 different creatives or however many creatives you have at $20 a day with complete payment, right? Whatever bid method you're using, and so forth. So once we start to see some results here, say A5 does well or A4 or A2 does well, what we want to do is we want to create a new ad group here. If you guys can see this, we're going to create a new ad group, use the same campaign that you already have. And now, right, we're going to name this how we normally name this. As I said in other videos, how I name my campaigns. Broad. We'll do manual bid. And do age. Gender. And then we're going to call this ACO. Right, this is how I normally name them. ACO, optimize creative optimization. Select your pixel here. This is just a test pixel, guys. Complete payment. Always go for complete payment. Select placement, TikTok, Pangle. Get rid of that. I usually take off user comments, downloads, and we want to click optimize creative optimization, automated creative optimization. That way, TikTok is going to automatically choose the best creative for the audience and the best caption or ad copy. So same thing here. We just US 18 to 24, exclude 13 to 17. Let everything go. And then you can start to up your budget here. Say you see things that are starting to work. Now you can play with $50 or $100. If you see traction on your creative testing and you see that works. Then, whatever bid you want, like I said, if it was if your bid was $10 before and your product cost $20, half split is a good place to start. Then we're going to go to next. It's going to load up here. You guys get the point, right? You're going to upload from your library 4 or 5 creatives. So this is only one creative here, but imagine you have 4 or 5 here. You click on those and you're able to have these in the same ad set, in the same ad group. And you can, put your brand name in here. And the cool part is you can add multiple text, right? So get 50% off, buy now. You guys get the point, right? I'm not saying these are the good captions to put, but once you have, the select ones, you can test different ad copies. It's similar to Facebook's dynamic creative. So, and then just click shop now, add your URL in here, profile image, boom. And now TikTok is going to check out what works and what doesn't work. And it's going to kill or not kill certain ads when running. So just to summarize, right, we have, once we start getting traction, we start seeing good results on our other 5 creatives. We see that they're doing well. Maybe only 2 or 3 do well. Maybe only 2 or 3 creatives go well, right? 2 to 3 do well. We want to put these into an ACO with different ad copies, different descriptions, and different pretty much headlines. And then TikTok, okay, is going to optimize and see which one does best. It's going to put it in a pool, right? It's going to put it in its own pool. It's going to test them out. It's going to test all these little creatives, and then you guys will see what works and what doesn't work. Now, the thing is with TikTok, as I said, it's going to automatically see and kill without you having to take control. So it's less control off your hands, and you're pretty much giving it to the algorithm. Now, this isn't like be all end all. This is just, these types of video guys is just kind of opening your mind to test new things on TikTok to see what's working in your campaigns. Sometimes these work well in other ad accounts and not so much in others. So it's all about testing inside your own criteria and in your own ad accounts. So I'm not saying this is going to be some magic formula, but it's very good also for creative fatigue. There's less fatigue. If I know how to spell fatigue right. I don't even know if I spelled fatigue right there, but less creative fatigue, so you don't have to upload as many creatives inside TikTok. And overall, guys, like that's a really good way to optimize using ACO. Try it out on your ad account. Let me know how it goes for you. Also, always be testing, always be split testing. But try to keep your campaigns as consolidated as possible. And what I mean by that is have fewer ad groups if your product is showing promising results. So combine more creatives together into one ad group rather than keeping it broad how we originally test. So as you can see here, like when we originally tested, we had a bunch of creatives set in different ad groups. But when we scale, we want to have more creatives inside the ad group. So as I said, that's why we use ACO. It combines them and gives TikTok's algorithm the ability to choose what works and what doesn't work. So guys, that was just the video today on opening your mind a bit on using ACO and optimizing your TikTok campaigns, giving full throttle to the TikTok algorithm and letting it do its work. I've noticed that the fatigue is far less, and I've seen greater and more promising results in regards to TikTok. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe. If it was helpful for you, let me know in the comments. The reason why I make these videos, obviously, is to help you guys out, and it helps me, track my experiences all along the way with you guys. So also, if you haven't checked out the case study, as I mentioned before, that will be in the description on how I took a store from 0 to 600K in 90 days. Yeah, guys, so that was the video. Thanks so much for watching.